Hello everyone! Imagine that you have started a call from collaboration, but then you need to leave your desk and your office. Did you know that you can easily and seamlessly pass your active call to another device? As you see, I answered the call from collaboration. And right now I can pass it to another device registered to my account. So in the call dialog, select the arrow down key, Other, and then go down to Continuity. Here I can see all of my active devices. So by pressing, I can pass the call to my desk phone. And right now, I'm talking on my desk phone. I can still see the active call window here in collaboration, and I can still pass the call to another active device. If you want to pass an active call to another device, you can use *5, and let's give it a try from collaboration. So right now I have an active call on my WP phone, on my desk phone, and I want to pass it to collaboration. I just dial *5. And you can see that I can continue the call on collaboration. And you can use this *5 from any Wildex device. So during an active call on the web phone, let's say, you can dial *5 from your desk phone and the call will be continued on your desk phone. And one more tip I want to give you. If you want to pass a call to your smartphone app, for example, you've started a call on your desk phone and you need to leave your office, there is even an easier way to do it from your smartphone application, rather than using *5 feature code. So when I have an ongoing call and I'm using, for example, a desk phone, web phone, a WAir device, and I open my collaboration application on my smartphone, I can see this call from my smartphone and I can easily pass this call to my smartphone by pressing this blue call button. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.